A Turkish expert has said multilateralism is key to better coping with global challenges in a turbulent world. Gülru Gezer, a foreign policy analyst and a former diplomat, points out that a global effort is becoming increasingly important to promote peaceful coexistence.
A holistic approach, of course, is required to address these global challenges with an effective response, because all of these challenges that I've mentioned cannot be tackled by a single state or only a set of countries. So it really requires a global effort. A global consensus, first of all, is required, and a rules-based international order where peaceful coexistence results in a win-win cooperation, where a world in which human rights and fundamental freedoms are upheld.
Gezer hails China's efforts in promoting win-win cooperation through safeguarding multilateralism.
China especially underlines the notion of inclusiveness and connectivity, where everyone is equal and the decisions are taken on a consensus-based mechanism, and where cooperation leads to a better understanding and a win-win situation. I think the more countries understand the importance of multilateralism, I think the more prosperous and just the world will become in the future.